Breaking bird. Hi Mum. Hi Dad. This is my family. I was hatched on a farm just south of Utica, New York. Life was great, until the day I realized I wasn't quite like my siblings. They had little beaks and fluffy feathers, and I was just a glorified piece of wood pulp. This is me. Hello. I'm what they call an origami crane. Say it with me. Or-e-ga-mi. My parents couldn't pronounce that, so everyone just calls me Ori. Anywho, from a young age, I decided all I wanted was to become a real bird. I spent countless days and nights in the library, studying all the greats. Ducks, eagles, herons, you name it. I probably could have gotten my PhD in ornithology by now. I learned how to walk, how to talk, and best of all, how to fly like a real bird. Every night, I dreamed of the day I'd finally sprout feathers and take flight. I spent hours upon hours watching National Geographic and Animal Planet. I even made friends with an aerospace engineer who gave me tips on the aerodynamics of paper. I even learned all about paper planes. The Wright brothers had nothing on me. Before I knew it, I was ready to spread my wings and fly. The day had come. I was finally ready. I had learned all I could, and now it was time to leave the proverbial nest and fly. I had watched videos upon videos of baby birds being pushed out of the nest by their mothers, but there was no one there to push me. I closed my eyes and took a leap of faith. I jumped off the side of the bridge, flapping my wings. I was finally flying. Until I wasn't. I started to fall. Where had I gone wrong? I felt the wind rush around me until suddenly the water hit me like a brick, and I sunk under the waves, feeling my wings grow heavy with the water. This was the last thing I saw before I went under. Took quite a fall there, son. I didn't think you'd make it. Now listen here. You gotta find love in yourself. Just because you can't fly, don't mean you're not a bird. Don't mean you're not useful. You're a paper crane. You're a symbol of hope and healing to so many. Now look at me. I'm a rubber duck. You think I can fly? No. But I learned that lesson a long time ago. You gotta find love in yourself. Acceptance of yourself. Because you are enough. I promise you that.